In this video, we'll see the recipe of very delicious and healthy sandwiches. Let's get started. First, we'll prepare some hung curd. So for that, take a cheesecloth or a thin muslin cloth. And to that, add 400 gram curd. This is plain curd or dahi. You can use homemade curd for this recipe. Make sure you do not use very sour, that is very khatta dahi. Hang this on the tap of your kitchen counter for 1 to 2 hours. After an hour or so, you would get very nice thick curd, which is hung curd, and it would look something like this. At this stage, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cream, that is your ready-made malai or homemade malai, anything. Then add 2 tablespoons finely chopped onion, then capsicum, finely chopped tomato, boiled sweet corn, 1 teaspoon green chilli paste. It really adds very nice taste. Then add 2 tablespoons roasted peanuts and some salt as per taste. Give this all a good mix. Look at the beautiful, creamy and healthy sandwich spread. I'm going to use my sandwich maker to make the sandwiches today, but if you have a non-stick tawa like this, you can use this and you can cover it with a lid like this. Moving on to the next step. So here I've got 4 breads. Right now I'm making 2 sandwiches, but with this recipe you can make 4 to 5 sandwiches. Apply some butter or ghee. Place the stuffing. Spread it evenly and place the other bread slice. I'm using whole wheat bread. You can use white bread if you want. Again, some melted butter, or you can apply ghee, whatever you like. Now grill it on both the sides. If you have a sandwich maker like this, you can use that, or you can use a tawa like I told you before. If you use a tawa, keep the flame low and make sure you grill the sandwiches on both the sides till they become nice golden and crispy. So these are done. I'm going to cut these into 2 triangles. These sandwiches taste amazing. I mean, if you use creamy dahi, creamy curd, these would just taste out of this world. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.